everybody, and welcome to Cooking with Graham. I'm Graham, and this is... Who are you? Vivi? Okay, this is Vivi.
Graham.
Okay, oh, she got chocolate. Now look at her little... She is our official cookie taster, and I'm the official cookie baker. First thing we want to do in baking is turn on the oven and get it ready. So we want to heat the oven to 350 degrees. So heat the oven.
And then after we heat the oven, we put the ingredients in and put it in the oven.
Not yet, not yet. Not yet. Okay. First thing we're going to do is mix our wet ingredients.
I'll do one too.
Okay, they got to be room temperature. So go ahead, open them up and put them in the mixing bowl.
Right.
You ready? Are you doing it? Okay, dump it in.
I'll do it.
Okay. Put it in. Okay. Now we're going to be creaming the butter with the 2 sugars. Okay, Vivi, go ahead and put the brown sugar in, a little at a time. We're putting in the brown sugar, and that is 3/4 cup, and then a 1/2 cup of regular sugar. Very good. Okay, turn it on to high, and let it whip, and don't touch it, for a couple minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Go ahead, don't drop it. 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 teaspoons, go ahead, hold it, of maple syrup.
Maple?
Maple syrup. Got that? As it goes slow. Very good. 1 egg.
I'll do it.
Now, she's going to put in 1 egg. Okay, you got it. And a pure pumpkin. Okay, 1 at a time from the top. Okay, let me help you. See? We're going to put more stuff in it now. Okay, that's good. Now we need the dry ingredients. So we have 2 cups. Go ahead.
Do I have to dump all of it?
All of it. Atta girl. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, very good. I'll put 1 teaspoon of salt. Here's the salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh, that one's a stick. Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt. You did that.
Yeah.
And the last one is a combination of baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. Yep, do it all. Put your little finger in there and get it all out. Just together till you mix it. Mix it all. Get that cinnamon in there. I'll hold it. Okay. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Little at a time. There we go. Okay. And we're going to mix it for a couple minutes until it becomes a dough. See how it's mixing out? We'll put that next. Slowly. Okay. You are supposed to put them in slowly, but that's fine. Pick up the ones that fell and put them in there. I think I just stepped on one. You see it, what it's looking like? I'm going to fold it all in here. You fold in the mini chocolate chips into the cookie batter. Put them in there. You doing it? Okay.
Now I'm going to go down.
Where are you going? Put them in here.
No.
How does it taste? Just a little taste. Good. in some wrapping, plastic paper, and then stick it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. It has to get harder to work with. Okay, it's been around an hour. We're gonna unwrap our batter. See, the batter's gotten a little harder. Give your hand. Watch Graham do it. 1, around 2. And just roll it in a little ball.
I know how to do that.
And then place them down.
Hey, I do that too. Look, Grandpa.
Give me your hand. Okay, 1. I'll get you a little more. 2. Okay, now roll it in a little ball. We did wash our hands. Roll it in a little ball, soft. I know it's a little sticky, and then put them down. 1, 2. Roll it.
Is that good?
That's good. Okay, let's move it over a little. Right there, okay. Ready for some more? Debbie, what do you think of the cookie?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Not yet.
What's it taste like?
Yummy.
Yummy? Okay. Good work.
Oh, no, no.